Panindahan kami. Talong sa kilo, 25 pesos. Kalamansi, carrots, lukos, half kilo. Sa kilo ng fish na 300 pesos lang. Tanong na ako panindahan. Lamig! Lamig ang ice candy. Pakita na yung maglamig-lamig. Be! Boo! Kilig-kilig! I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. You know, way. Baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way. Other way. Baby, I was born this way. On the right track, baby, I was born this way. And I'm so scared, but I don't show it. I'm getting you out. It's bringing me down. I know I've got to let it go and just enjoy the show. Dum de dum, dum de dum. Just enjoy the show. Dum de dum, dum de dum. Just enjoy the show. I want my money back. I want my money back. Just enjoy the show. Enjoy the show. Emo birds, daddy. Sila. Oh, diba? Ako pagit. Bago lang kami abot halin sa buwan, lakat-lakat kami. Si Regine Gadudo na ang alangan ma-play naman ni sa matugong lang sa ma-play na sa dayo.